Hi, everyone. Before we get started, we want to let you know that this episode covers some sensitive subjects, such as mental health and depression in the workplace. If you're going through a difficult time right now, or if you know someone struggling with depression, we hope this episode will help you navigate these tough conversations at work and in your personal life. If you're ever experiencing suicidal thoughts, please reach out to your support system or call 1-800-273-8255, where you'll be connected with a specialist from the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline.
Work is a very, very important, critical part of our personal lives, and we want to improve the well-being of every aspect of our life. And we can't necessarily, separate the two completely. And it's important to have discussions around how can we make our team happier? How can we make our team feel better at work? And I'm a huge believer that if we can do this, when we do this, we will ultimately create a better team, a longer lasting team, a team that'll overcome challenges in the work setting. Do you believe that as well?
What I have seen before is, even I had a conversation a few weeks ago with a company, and they were talking about planning and scheduling. They said, hey, we don't know how much detail to put into a work order, and that's affecting the quality of our work. And to me, my initial thought was, it doesn't matter if you put 500 pages into your job plan with literally every step, if you haven't trained your people, if you don't care about your people, if they don't care about the work that they're doing.
When I think about that 500-page manual, I've seen those. And I know exactly where those come from. It comes from, hey, here, I read a textbook, I went to a conference, I went to a webinar, and I learned the best practice. It says, document everything. And that's important. But when it comes back to the question around what motivates people to do their best work and feel excited about what they do every single day, a lot of it comes from empowerment. To me, a portion of it is, here's the job that I want you to complete. I trust you that you're going to figure out the best way to do it.